Automation Expo as a platform, it brings not only the large OEMs but also bring a lot of component suppliers on a single platform. And presence of Delta in such large platform enable our visitors, our customers and our future customers also to understand how automation can really help bring their manufacturing, bring their processes more accurate. This display is all about the digital twin technology, and digital twin technology is nothing but it's a virtual mapping of your manufacturing processes or the manufacturing attributes to get the right qualities. So it's a replica of a SMT, or I can say the PCB assembly line, where you can see we are doing some kind of assembly using the robot and also replicating the same thing over to the digital environment also. Delta is the world leader in power supply, switching power supply. And here we are displaying our highest efficiency, 95.5% plus efficiency power supply on the DIN rail side. Of course, we have a different range which can fulfill more or less all the customer requirement in the power supply. The product which we are displaying here is our state-of-art linear motors, which is highly accurate and can move very high speed and can also work into the interpolation mode. This all features together reduce the overall cycle time of a production and the maximum output and the best quality the product is built around it. Delta is coming up very recently with a new CNC 05 controller, which is very unique in the proposition, which can be used for the various applications in terms of horizontal machining or the vertical machining. We can offer you end-to-end solution along with a robot integration also to make your CNCs more faster, more accurate, and as well as automated from the beginning itself. This is our new range of the products we are displaying here is called the Delta Smart Screwdriver. They are having inbuilt technology which is sensing the torque, which is sensing the number of tons it is taken, and always very useful if something has to be done with the precision assembly, which is a demand of the today as the high-tech industry is also growing in India. That means you need the technology to tighten certain screws with the highest accuracy, and then you need to choose the Delta Smart Screwdriver as a product. Delta is having a unique IGBT based technology called the Advanced APF to reduce the harmonics from the power, and which actually increase the overall efficiency of the plant by reducing the heating of the wire or by generating or inducing the unwanted current into the control system of the various machinery or the equipment plants is using. So this is our latest launch in the India market, the MSI motor. This is high efficiency IE4 and IE5 coming with the synchronous motors. These are unique combination with our VFDs. If you are looking the best output or the best efficiency from motor along with the drive, I believe you should talk to Delta and look for the complete package. So this section all about the Delta VFD, and VFD is nothing but the variable frequency drive. So here we are displaying the different combination of VFD like the multi-channel VFDs. Then we have a very specific VP3000, and then here if you see we are having a very special motor mounted pump drive which is unique in the proposition and can be utilized to the various applications. Without right software platform onto the hardware, the software cannot be so successful. So we have a complete suite of the software which is we are displaying in this section. You can see where we have a equipment visualization software, energy management system, facility management system, or the advanced one called the digital twin technology. These softwares comes onto the hardware platform, and then it's a layer between your SAP and then the hardware which bring the whole plant into the right integration also. This is all about Delta Industrial Automation solution platform, from the product to the integrated drives to the software. So I hope you will be curious about to learn more about these product lines. So discuss with our product expert and tell us the problem statement. We are here to support you and give you the right solution.